Good morning, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, we will not be fooled by staged letters written to condemn Themba Mliswa. Everyone knows Mliswa was acting on behalf of Christopher Mchangwa, Emerson Mnangagwa, Zvigananda Tagore, and their rotten clique. Sanabena mashoko, a letter say murikuna in the screen yonyogwa, yirikuonekwa kunzi irikuita as if panguva inoi. Zvonekwa kune tsamba dzinenge dziri kunwa dzinenge dzefake, dziri dzichidhinaunza Mliswa. But yazozivaona kuti Themba Mliswa munhu akatiwa nezvigananda kuti agouya achiparadza nekuataka vipi because anochunga about subscribe or like on the bell icon. Kirina Mujata mudanyura chiti what shocked the Vene was the Zimbabwe spoke with one voice, rejecting Mliswa's lies and standing solidly behind Mukanya Chiwenga. This was a political earthquake that shattered ED's grip on ZANU-PF and exposed his evil agenda. Let it be clear, Zimbabweans do not care about cooked up allegations of theft against Mukanya Chiwenga. The real criminals, the ones who must resign, are Mnangagwa and his satanic cabal. We have seen this dirty script before, proxies unleashed to smear opponents, from the Gamatoxburg to the November 2017 coup. Today, Zimbabweans and Mukanya Chiwenga's supporters tore Mliswa apart, and even the opposition refused to take ED's bait. Barakashi lined up with Mliswa, but it backfired. Spectacularly, Mliswa now himself stands exposed from his UK criminal past, his shady wealth, his bloody hands. Zimbabweans are demanding full investigation into Mliswa's murder allegations, lifestyle audit to review his dirty money. Mliswa must be arrested for money laundering and corruption. The scoreboard is clear. Mukanya Chiwenga 10. Emerson Mnangagwa and Mliswa 0. Not even their Indian Ocean witchcraft rituals could save them from disgrace. Zvimarombist zvimbinjiri. Without Mukanya Chiwenga shielding ED in 2017, ED would be cowardly, old, miserably, men rotting in exile, not a president. Emerson ungadai utori mupoteri iwe, yet you are ungrateful, manipulative, and evil to the core. ED's betrayal must be written in history. Thank you, Zimbabwe, for rising up and defending Mukanya Chiwenga. The so-called Lacoste faction is nothing but a cursed gang of ritualist murderers, pedophiles, the gangsters, thieves, and satanists. Ndomashukano mudanyogwa panguva inoina Kirina Mujati achiataka Zvigananda achiti Zvigananda ngazvimiswe panguva ine zvine mari yakanyanyisa just because of VP Kosano Chiwenga akakwanisa kuvaprotecta muna 2017. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.